Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundo Bitcoin with a pre-market analysis for today, the 13th of May 2014. You're watching Bitstamp and right now the price is 440. This is the daily chart. Buyers yesterday didn't manage to deny the previous retracements, and so far we're experiencing new lower high patterns, especially in the 12-hour chart. If these lower highs can end up getting activated by the price itself, we might experience a new downtrend and why not a potential sell-off. Just keep an eye on it because new opportunities will come along to buy in several areas, and why not some points of reaction or levels of reaction that can actually generate a decent margin in that sense. But so far this is the daily chart and the price still have a potential to continue with the retracement. And here it is the situation with the 12-hour chart. A lower high in the process of in the making process, as you can see. We might need a couple of more candles at this point. Obviously this is 12-hour chart. Each candlestick is 12 hours of market. So I mean, it's not ready yet to turn into a potential powerful lower high, but still the conditions are in place. The uptrend hasn't been strong enough to deny the previous retracement, and so far if this continues with the consolidation, this can end up become a new B formation, which is a bearish sign. And why not, if the price activates this particular pattern, then it's an opportunity for the sellers to push the price towards 420 with 27. And so far the 4-hour chart, after we managed to reach the SMA 200, buyers with the price didn't manage to generate a new higher low, and so far the previous uptrend is already denied by this particular downtrend. And right now a potential lower high was trying to be built by the sellers, but obviously it didn't happen. And so far we see a consolidation that it has 2 or 3 options actually. The third option is something that it might end up just because of the lower volume, we end up having a consolidation. But the first hypothesis is the possibility that this pattern fails, and why not a new retracement will try to reach this area, which is 429 with 60. Obviously if this happens, there is enough room and enough space for the price itself to try to reach the major support, which is located at 420 with 27. The other case scenario, which is the second hypothesis, is the possibility that this situation, this pattern, and this kind of consolidation end up pushing the price towards 443 with 77, and after that the price has room to try to reach the bottom tail of this previous consolidation. That right now it's a new resistance. It's a minor resistance, but it's a resistance that it can be used as a reference for the price try to reach higher levels, and that area is located at 554 with 15. If this happens, there is enough room for the price to try one more time to reach the SMA 200, and why not 459 with 24. But obviously we don't know that what will be the next behavior of the market, and especially the next price behavior. So far we see potential opportunities. We have to wait for the 12-hour chart and the 240-minute chart to resolve this during the course of the morning, and after that we can make some decisions, and why not try to get in the market to gain as much margin as possible. And last but not least, this is the 60-minute chart. Very long consolidation, SMA 200 very flat. This means we have a 50-50 chance right now between buyers and sellers. Whoever brings enough volume, if it's the buyers have to penetrate above 443 with 77. Then the next higher low can push the price once again towards 559. That could be a very good and interesting trade. If no, sellers can penetrate below the 437 with 68, and after that there is enough space and enough room for the price to try to reach 429 with 60. Just keep an eye on it. The situation right now is 50-50, and in the next 3 hours we can see a new opportunity will come along. I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundo Bitcoin. Have a great day trading, and I'll see you around. Goodbye.